Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Fabricate Friday video. The little box that I'm creating today is a lovely little lidded box. Comes off like that. This little box, when you open it up, holds a little box of Smarties. So Smarties are Canadian candy. I'm assuming that they're Canadian. I know that people have said that they haven't been able to find it in the States, but again, I could be wrong. Anyway, the size of this box, seriously, when I was a child, it was like this much bigger. And I don't know what happened. They obviously were cutting some costs and maybe better for the environment to make a smaller box. For the candies. Anyway, this is what I came up with one of my viewers who had asked me, can I make a box for the Smarties? So I'm happy to do so. And this is what I came up with. So let me share with you how I built this. And if you felt like duplicating it, then awesome. Okay, I have a piece of smoky slate here. This is one of my favorite neutrals. And it is 7 5/8 and 3 3/4. And I am going to score at 3 3/8. And then again at 4 1/8. I'm going to turn it around and I'm going to score it at 3/4 and 3. Okay, and then for the designer series paper, I am using the Symbols of Fortune specialty designer series paper. And specialty because it has gold foiling on the other side. But I wanted to use these beautiful cranes. Probably one of the only birds that I actually like on pattern paper. This is size 7 1/8 by 3 3/4. And we want to make sure that the direction goes this way. Because of the way that the build goes, okay? So I'm gonna start scoring at 7 1/8, then at 3 1/8, and at 4 and 6 1/4. I'm going to turn it round so the pattern is going this way. So I want to score on 3 here. Okay, I'm gonna fold and burnish all of my score lines. We're just going to cut one of these little squares away. So I'll cut that one. And then the rest is cut up a little wedge, cut up a little wedge, and cut up a little wedge and wedge. Okay. All right, we're going to take our little scissors here and we're going to snip off the wedges here. These are the tabs that are basically going to hold the box together. Alrighty. So I'm going to put my adhesive just on the free edge and not anywhere close to that folding edge, and or the scored edge, and I'll tell you why in a second. Then I'm going to put a little bit of adhesive on our tabs. Whoopsies. Okay. So we're going to put our free edge here and we're going to tuck it up against that tab scored line there. And then we're going to just tack our tab on the outside. So the reason why we're not putting the tab on the inside is because I want a smooth box where the Smarties can go in and out and not have to jam on our little tab here. So I'm going to sandwich the tab in between the two sides. And this is a good place for when I can put my Smarties right in there. And I'm going to take this flap and I'm just going to close it on my Smartie box. So this will help me, the adhesive close to the free edge is going to be so that this, because it doesn't cover it completely. And if you put too much adhesive on the scored edge, that would cause a little bit of a problem. So, and it would stick while we're putting it inside our extra box here, the top of the box. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to put adhesive on one of the tabs. And let's see, I'll do the same thing with those tabs. So I'm just gonna close this guy. And then I'm gonna close that. And then put adhesive on this. And hopefully my pattern is perfectly directional and my box goes in unhindered. Alrighty, I don't remember what die cut that is, but any die cut will do. This is Smoky Slate, and what I'll do is I'll bring in this little empty box here and show you what I'm doing. So the sentiment says just a little high from me. And I chose Smoky Slate for this ink. I think it goes very well with my cranes. And let's see, I only have to do the top-ish section. And let me see. Oh, I put some embellishments on this one. Those green rhinestones. These are called Rhinestone Waves Basic Jewels, you guys. This is a new product coming out. I'm going to utilize them. I think you're going to want these if you like bling like I do. I'm going to go with the green ones because I think they go better. Ooh, pretty. Or would the blue go better? I'm sticking with green. Pretty, you guys. So those are the new Rhinestone Waves Basic Jewels. Pretty sure that I love them. All right. All right, you guys, you can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video's See More section or in the supplies section of my blog, and those fast links will take you to my Canadian online store. I would love the opportunity to meet you and earn your business. So thank you so much for watching me fumble with my project. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.